Matrix multiplication. Now we are starting. Here we can see we can multiply two matrix A and B if and only if number of columns of A is equal to number of rows of B. Two matrix A and B can be multiplied. We can multiply A into B only if the number of columns in A is equal to the number of rows in B. So if I am taking A of order m into n and B, then it will be of order n into p. The number of column will be equal to number of rows of B. So B can be of order n into p. Then the answer after we multiply the matrix which we will get will be of order m into p. So the answer of the matrix C will be of order m into p. Now we are taking an example. We have here a equals to this and b equals to this. We need to calculate 2b minus a square. So 2b into b, we need to multiply 2 in all the terms. Here in all the elements 2 is multiplied with 3. I will get 6. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times minus 2 is minus 4 and 2 times 1 is 2. So this I get. Now a square. We need to calculate a square. A square means a multiplied with a. So here I am multiplying a with a. Now they both are of the order 2 by 2. So the answer will be also of order 2 by 2. So here I will get 2 by 2 order. Now this is your first row, second row, first column, second column. So here now this is your first row, first column. So it means you need to multiply first row with first column. So I am multiplying first row with first column. So 1 times 1 times 1 plus minus 2 times 2. Now here this is your first row, second column. So first row needs to be multiplied with your second column. So 1 times minus 2 plus minus 2 times minus 1. Now this is your second row, first column. So second row, first column. So this I need to multiply with this. So second row is multiplied with here. So 2 times 1 plus minus 1 times 2. Minus 1 times 2. Now this is your second row, second column. So I need to multiply second row with second column. So here 2 times minus 2 and 1 times minus 1 plus minus 1 into minus 1. Now let us solve this. So here a square will be equal to 1 times 1 is 1 minus 4. 1 minus 4 will give you minus 3. Minus 2 plus 2. Minus 2 and plus 2 will give you 0. Now 2 times 1 is 2 and here you will get minus 2. So again 0. Now 2 times minus 2 is minus 4 and plus 1. So I will get minus 4 plus 1, I will get minus 3. Now this is your a square. Now we need to calculate a square minus 2b minus a square. So I need to subtract this from this. So here 2b minus a square will be 2b, 6 minus a square minus minus will become plus. Then 2b is 4 here and minus 0. Then minus 4 and this is minus 0. Then minus here 2b is that 2 and minus minus will become 3. So here you will get 9. Here you will get 4, minus 4 and 5. So this is our required answer. We are taking a question. Let a equals to this, b equals to this and c is equal to this. We need to find out a square plus ac minus 5b. So a square means a into a. This is your matrix A. I have written a into a. Now here this is of 2 into 2 order. This is of 2 into 2 order. So the answer will be also of 2 into 2 order. Now I need to multiply row with matrix. So here first row is multiplied with column. Now 2 times 2 we have here 2 times 2 plus 1 times 0. Now for this I need to multiply first row with second column. So first row is multiplied with your second column now. So 2 times 1 I am multiplying here plus 1 times minus 2. So now we need to multiply your second row with first column. So second row is multiplied with first column. I will get 0 times 2 is plus minus 2 times 0. Okay. Now for this element you need to multiply your second row with second column for this one. So 0 is multiplied with 1 and minus 2 is multiplied with minus 2. So now 1 times 0 is 0, 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 1 is 2 and here from here you will get minus 2. So plus 2 minus 2 will give you 0. Here 0 times 2 is 0, minus 2 times 0 is 0, so 0. 0 times 1 is 0, minus 2 times minus 2 is plus 4. So I will get 4 here. Now we need to calculate AC because we have to calculate AC also. So AC, A is multiplied with, this is your A and I am multiplying with C. So again I need to multiply row with first column. So 2 is multiplied with minus 3 and 1 is multiplied with minus 1. Now for this element you need to multiply first row with second column. So 2 is multiplied with 2. Here 2 is multiplied with 2 plus 1 is multiplied with 4. Now for this element you need to multiply second row with first column. So 0 is multiplied with minus 3 and minus 2 is multiplied with minus 1. And now you need to multiply second row with second column. So 0 is multiplied with 2 and minus 2 is multiplied with 4. So now here 2 times minus 3 is minus 6 and from here you will get minus 1, so minus 7. 2 times 2 is 4, 1 times 4 is 4. So 4 plus 4 is 8. Now this will become 0 and minus 2 times minus 1 is 2. This will become 0 and minus 2 times 4 is minus 8. Now 5b, I need to multiply 5 in b. So multiplying 5 in b you will get this. Now you have to find out a square plus ac minus 5b. So we have a square is here, ac is here and 5b is here. So 4. Now this 4 plus minus 3 minus 7 will give you minus 3 and minus 3 minus 20 will give you minus 23. Now 0 minus plus 8, 0 plus 8 will be 8 and 8 minus 5 will give you 3. Now here 0 minus 2, 0 plus 2 will give you 2 and 2 minus 15 means plus 15. So 0 plus 15 is 17. Now 4 minus 8, 4 minus 8 is minus 4 and plus 10. Minus 10 becomes plus 10. So minus 4 plus 10 will give you 6. So this is our required answer.